Hey guys, Kenny Phuah here. So today I'm going to show you how to actually create a WordPress website, okay, or blog. Alright. So you can go to the browser, click on Namecheap, alright. And then you can come to the Namecheap website. In the first step, right, you already selected your niche to actually go to create the website for, and you already do the research on what you want to talk about in your website. So this step is actually just to look for your domain name, okay? Second step, this is to look for your domain name and then purchase it, and then we'll go for the next step. Okay, so for instance, let's say we are going to select a domain name called racingwarrior.com. okay, so I'm going to type here and then go for search. So if this domain name is available, then it will come out as there's a price at the site. Okay, so you just have to click on the add to cart button here, and then go to view cart. And in this page, right, you can see here there is actually a promo code that you can put in to get the discount. Okay, so in order to do that, first you need to actually sign in or actually sign up for the Namecheap account. Then you can actually get this promo code applied. So how you can actually search for the promo code, right? You can go to Google, you type in Namecheap coupon, enter. Okay, so this is actually the Namecheap coupon. You click here, then you can see the coupon code here. You just copy and then apply it here, all right, and click apply. So there is a discount of there is actually a discount of from 1069 it will go down to 966. Okay, so you can see some error here because I haven't actually logged in or before I apply this code. So if after you apply this, you can go to confirm order, and then you can make the payment, and afterwards Namecheap will actually send a confirmation to you, okay, of the purchase of the domain name. So the domain name that you try to purchase just now would be yours. Okay, so next step, we will actually go for how to actually link your domain name to the hosting. So hosting, you can go for hostgator.com. okay, so yeah, now it's on sale with 75%. okay, so you can just get started now. Click here, and then you can see the package, which one is suit you. For business plan is actually same $5.95. You can click on sign up now. For basic, I recommend at least go for a baby plan. Okay, okay, let's say we go for baby plan. Okay, so you can see the pricing here. If you already have the domain name, you can click here and then just key in just now the account racingwarrior.com. You can enter here and then fill up all the details here, and you can see there is what's the price in below here. Okay, so just tag on, like if let's say you don't own that domain name yet, okay, it can it will automatically come out, and then for you to select and buy. Okay, so it will come out here that the hosting here. Okay, so this is to protect. You can actually untick this, and you can actually untick this site backup as well. So you will see this is the actual hosting per year. Okay, because you are signing up for this plan. Okay, sorry, this is 36 months. Okay, If you are looking for renewal every month, you can select this, but I recommend at least go for 12 months. Okay, so 12 months, what's the price? Okay, it's 127.4 here. Okay, you can go ahead, fill in everything, and then check out. Okay, make the payment. Okay, so afterwards you will actually receive a mail with the cPanel login. HostGator control panel, right? Okay, so because you already insert the domain name upfront when you do the purchase of the web hosting, so you will not need to actually add on any domain name to the cPanel, right? So if let's say you are actually buying a second domain name, all you have to do is just click this add-on domain, fill up your newest domain name. Just add the domain name here, racingwarrior.com. Okay, just put it there, and then the root location to save all your files. You create a password, and then you just have to add the domain. Okay, so if you are just new and then already created already obtained the cPanel account here, you can just go down here, scroll down to the bottom, okay, at this section of information, account information, right? You can see this is your server name, Gator something, and then your name server. All right, so copy this name server out. Okay, so you can just fill in this hostgator.com, the name server, and assign it into your Namecheap account DNS. Okay, so I'm actually in my Namecheap account, right? So I can actually assign the name server into the hosting, into the domain name itself. So I go to the domain list here, and then you look for your domain list. For me, I'll just select one of it, click the manage, and then you can scroll down to the section where it says name server. Okay, you select, originally it's actually under this Namecheap basic DNS. You can just go to custom DNS, then you can just copy this name server here to here, another one, secondary name server here. Okay, and then you can click the tick button for save. Right, so after you click save, it will actually refresh, and it will take some time to actually tie this together. It will say DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect. Don't worry. Okay, so in order to install WordPress, right, you can just click this get started with WordPress today, or you can actually click this quick install at the bottom here. Okay, so inside here you can come to quick install. You will come to here, and then it will show you some popular installs that you can actually do. So in here I will just click WordPress, and then I will just click install WordPress. It will come out to this screen here where I show in the blog. Alright, you can actually select all the assign domain name here. Install path, normally I won't touch it, and you just insert your admin email, blog title, admin username, first name, your name, last name. Alright, and then you just click install WordPress. Okay, after you click the install button, right, you will receive an email confirmation on the WordPress already installed to your domain name. Okay, so just give you an example, right? So let me see, this is my domain name. I will put in the wp So this will come to this page, right? You just have to it will come to this screen. You just have to key in your username and then password that the WordPress assigned to you. Just copy and paste it here, and you can just click log in. Alright. So after you have logged in, right? I mean, the first thing that you actually need to learn about is actually the interface of this WordPress platform. So it's actually a lot of things. Sorry, this website is actually not new, right? The first thing that you need to do is actually you can see some updates here, right? That you can actually click and then update the respective plugins or theme that actually pre-installed into your WordPress. So first thing first, you go for go to settings, go to permalinks. Okay, remember to actually choose the post name and then click save. Alright. Afterwards, you can actually venture into the theme. Go to appearance, theme, and then you can actually select the theme that you want, or you can click on the add new and search for the theme that you actually like here. Alright, my recommendation is actually called Generate Press. Why is that? It's because it's actually free. Generate Press, okay, it's actually free, and also this Generate Press is actually very lightweight. You can click on here and see the details. It's actually fast, lightweight, less than 1 megabyte zip. Okay, so you can see the preview here when you click inside. Alright, and this is actually very suitable for blog. Alright, and also if you want what do you call static homepage as well, you can actually do that, and it is actually prepared with you like a professional website layout, where you can actually put the footer widget here. Okay, so you can just click on install. Alright, and click on activate. So now you can see your actually your website will be using this Generate Press theme, which is active. Okay, so next you are going to actually install plugins. Plugins is those that added features to your website. So I've actually add in a few of the plugins. So in order to add more new one, you can click on the add new, and then go to search for the plugins that you want, like all-in-one SEO. Alright, then you will come out a list of plugins that is related to your search term. So all-in-one SEO is here. Okay, so if you are not too sure what to actually what plugins to install, you can actually go for recommended tab here, and then you look for some of the details about what is this plugin is for, and then if it is suit your intention of that website, then you can actually install it now and then activate it. Okay, so that's all on the plugin install. So next, we'll go for create your post. So post is very easy. You just go to post, add new, and then you can type your title here, and then this is a testing post. Alright, and then you can type your content here. Content will be here, and then you can actually select the category, add in the text, put in the title. So this is actually with all-in-one SEO. That's why you will see this here. If it is not, you won't see this content here. Alright, So just fill in everything and then you can just click publish, and there you go, your first post to your website. Okay, so let me see on my website Outlook. Okay, so this is my website Outlook. All right. I think that's all for now. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today, and hope you can actually leave me some feedback if you think you need some help, or what do you think about this video. If it can help you, if you like this video, please give me a like or share it with your friends so that you can actually help them in creating their first website online using WordPress platform. Okay, so again, I'm Kenny Phuah here. So thank you again, and I hope I will actually record more videos for you. Right? Thank you. Bye.